Hi guys, this is going to be a get it all done. I am doing my workout and then I had to pick up some groceries and then I did some cleaning. So if you're new here, my name is Ivy. I'm a mama for older kids and we keep littles, sometimes after school kids, sometimes to help out. So in this video, you're going to get a lot of motivation if you need it. I was actually recording a video on here and I decided not to put the talking part on here. So I'm just doing my daily walk in the beginning of this video.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better join in. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby.
This is some stuff I had to pick up for Memorial Day. We're gonna cook out. So I got some onions in this bag, some blueberries, some lettuce. I got the spring mix. Let me flip this around. Spring mix, which I'm making me a salad for lunch today, and it's gonna be the spring mix with a rotisserie chicken. I got some kiwi, some peppers, some green peppers. We needed some more milk, Dr. Peppers, and some peach soda. These honey bunches of oats, almonds. I got some more tortillas. My family killed these last time I bought them, so I bought some more. I bought 2 packs. Then I got some ranch dressing and some Italian dressing.
You tell them. You tell them what you got.
My daughter's missing chips. Get those out of the bag for me.
Tostitos.
We got some Tostitos
Because she kept taking my Doritos.
and some Doritos. Lies you tell. Mozzarella and sharp cheddar because they use all the cheese with the quesadillas. I meant with the tortillas, making grilled cheese sandwiches out of tortillas.
Oh my God.
Ketchup. Got some more iced coffee. This time I got the French toast bagels. We picked up some burgers. I picked up this rotisserie chicken for my lunch I'm about to make right now, my salad. I have some sour cream. And then I picked up some sausages. And my husband wanted a steak last night, so I picked up some steaks today. And then we got some ribs, 2 slabs of ribs, and they're frozen, but we are going to defrost them and cook them. So this is my grocery pickup for this weekend. So if you are new here, my name is Ivy, like I said before, and I do cooking, cleaning, hauls, fashion, all the things that I enjoy to do. Right here, I am just putting away the groceries that I had just showed you. And now this is another day when I'm going to clean some stuff I needed to get clean. I'm going to clean the microwave, and I'm also going to try out my degreaser from the Method line and tell you what I think about it a little bit.
I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, that's your problem.
So now we're all in here fixing lunch. Everybody was hungry, so we're actually eating lunch, and I'm still straightening up the kitchen. So I'm trying out the Method Degreaser and the Lemongrass scent. And I want to tell you what I like about it. I like the scent because I was using other degreasers and that stuff was getting in my chest and making me sick. So the number one thing I like about this so far, I just used it for the first time, was the scent.
If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up. Meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out.
So shouts out to my real sister. She asked me, this makes me laugh. She was like, where do you put all that stuff when you do your bathroom cleaning video? And she said the counter is just like perfect. There's nothing on there. And I was like, girl, I remove all that stuff before I record. So this is for my real sister, my sister in real life. I just took everything and removed it and put it on the floor. I'm actually going to organize this, but I'm laughing because I keep thinking about it. She was like, you got everything so nice and neat and organized. Where are you putting it? I'm moving it in the video. Okay, so I'm just cleaning the bathroom and I'm using bleach. I'm still laughing over this. Okay, so and I'm not gonna redo this voiceover. I'm cleaning the outside of the shower, and I decided not to clean the inside fully because I'm going to be taking a shower. I have been walking, I've been exercising, and so I'm just gonna do that later. So right here, I'm still thinking about that. This is the daycare area, and it really needs to be organized. So I'm just taking all this stuff out, rearranging it, putting it where it needs to go, and I'll actually have a clip on here showing you how I reorganized it.
There's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile.
I got the first aid kit up there. I need to throw those candles out. But this needed to be cleaned and organized, and I got it clean and organized. I got like some googly eyes and puffs in there. I got miscellaneous stuff. Not miscellaneous, manipulatives and play food is in there. Play-Doh is in there. That's the paint. That's crayons, markers, pens. That's the baby's diapers and pull-ups. That's the extra pair of pants and some wipes. This is my crafting area. Just my little small crafting area for now. In here we have some more arts and crafts, construction paper, and then an open area. So this has been clean and organized.